got this forest near the house and we're just here having fun, just climbing trees and stuff. It's a beautiful forest. I always come here, but today I was like, why not take some photography or like some videos of the place and show it off? It's a beautiful place. I recommend anyone to come here. Oh, I almost forgot you guys. So I just flew the drone, me and my brother, and it looks so beautiful from above. I got some cinematic videos. I'm gonna edit it together and see how it looks.
What is this?
What is what? What are those?
Those are slides.
Why'd you bring those? What is that?
Nike slides. Look at my beautiful feet.
So we're walking through the forest right now. We're going into it, trying to see if we can find a different path. Let's see. Alright, so this is like, it looks like a cool spider tree. I'm gonna see if I can climb up. Oh, hold on.
Happy day for you. Open the doors to the garden. Open the doors to the palace. Happy day for you. Open the doors to the garden.
So my brother right here made an amazing thing just now. What did you do?
I don't know. I'm maintaining the drone.
He flew the drone into one of the, I don't know what to call it, these little swinging things, and we had to replace one of the propellers just because it broke. One of the propellers actually tore, so now he's just checking it out if there's something wrong with it. We actually flew it again just to see if it worked. It works, but just to make sure, we're just checking it again. Great. Drone fail attempt. We left the gimbal right here in the middle of the street, of the place, and now we're just packing up to go, but it was a great time here. Right?
Yep. Well, the drone crashed.
Who crashed it?
Me.
Okay.
But it's fixed now.
Yeah,
That's
alright.
all that matters.
We are done with the video. It was a pretty short video, but we are headed home and we'll see you guys soon. Make sure you follow the Instagram.